Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Today I'm going to show you guys my new bag, which is the tote bag from Marc Jacobs, which I am so excited about it. It took me a while to get this bag, so just the fact that I actually got it, it's like exciting, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So this is the medium Colorblock tote bag from Marc Jacobs. This is the leather one. I don't know if they have a non-leather one, but that's what this one is. So medium, small, I don't know, I was confused because when I ordered it, it said medium, but when we got it, it said small, so I don't know. But it's the one in the middle. So I got this bag because I actually originally wanted the black one, just the large black and white Marc Jacobs, so I could substitute it for my Louis Vuitton GM Neverfull, because I wear that one all the time. I actually use it as a real bag, like as a daily purse, because I have so much stuff in my bag. As far as, you know, I have 4 kids, I have a husband, somebody's always asked me to carry something, so I just got used to wearing like really big bags. But I did want to, like, for every day, right? I really did want to change it up a little bit, but I've been keeping, you know, once I saw that bag, I just started seeing other bags. I was like, they have so many colors and sizes, and you know, it's a little bit overwhelming. But then I saw this one and I absolutely fell in love with it. I was looking at the Marc Jacobs website for a bag, and it was unfortunately sold out there. The mini one was sold out as well, but I did see that the mini one is back in stock. This one is still sold out as of this morning in the website, on the Marc Jacobs website, but I'm sure, like, you know, they're gonna restock. So I ended up getting it from Nieman Marcus, which I had a little bit of issues getting it, but it's here now, and I'll give you guys a little story after I'm done with the review in case you guys are interested. So the bag does come with the dust bag, which I thought was really cute. You know, I was hoping it would come with a dust bag. All my other purses do, but I don't think Michael Kors, like, I just bought a Michael Kors, well, my husband bought me a Michael Kors bag, and I don't think it didn't come with a dust bag. So I was looking for it because, you know, I'm used to the dust bags, but it didn't come with it. But this one does come with it, and it's like really cute. So the color is amazing in this. Let's get back to the bag. So the color is amazing in this. The size is great. So I ended up getting the medium because I need a big enough bag to put everything in there, but at the same time, the reason I didn't get the large one was because I was watching, you know, videos on YouTube to look at the sizes, because this is my first Marc Jacobs purchase. So I don't own anything Marc Jacobs, and I definitely don't own another tote bag, so I cannot compare it to another tote bag for you guys as far as size, but there's plenty of other YouTube videos that do that for you. But I just wanted to let you know that I did watch a video where she had it wasn't this color, but she had a large leather bag and the leather tote, but she said it was super heavy, and I kind of see that. Like, my Louis Vuitton GM is so flimsy, and it's I feel the weight of the stuff that I carry in there. I don't feel the weight of the bag. And this one, I would definitely feel the weight of the bag, because this is a pretty hefty bag. So just to let you know, that's why I got the medium. And my bag is always packed. Like right now, it looks nice and neat, but once you know, we go somewhere, I have everybody's stuff in here, so it gets really packed really quick. So I also saw that girls were putting their laptops in their bags. This is the Pro, the biggest Pro, and it doesn't fit in here, so I don't know if they have the smaller ones or whatever, but it almost fits, but it didn't. So maybe because my case is thick, but my laptop didn't fit in here. I'm not going to use it for work or school or anything, but I just wanted to let you guys know. You guys have the larger, you know, MacBook Pro, and you have a case, it might not fit in here. So yeah, so it has a strap. This is an adjustable strap. I wish the strap was a little bit thicker, but it is this thin. I mean, I will work with it. I'll probably just, you know, carry it like this anyways, but it does have an adjustable strap, which is really cute, and you can actually take it off and on. You know, this is what it looks like from the back. You know, it looks like the other tote bags. and it is just very, very cute. It really much matches with anything, because everything and anything, because of the two-tone. So this is what it looks like when it's zipped up, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. So when I was looking at the website, the inside was black, but this one isn't, so I'm not sure why, but this is what it looks like on the inside. Let me just take everything out. I'll let you guys see what I have inside. I usually just carry my bag here everywhere, because if I'm gonna run out to the store real quick, I'll just take this bag, but then I need it all the time, so I always carry this bag. I make sure that bag fits everywhere. I also have my wallet. I have my glasses, my seeing glasses. These are like my little Prada seeing glasses. I should be wearing them right now, but I only wear them to drive and to, you know, read. And then my dirty makeup bag, and then my Fendi buttercream. I always have this around. I absolutely love this stuff. I know it's been around forever, but I just got, you know, I just ended up buying it and I can't let go, so I carry it with me everywhere. I'm sure it's supposed to stay in your bathroom, but I carry it with me everywhere. So this is what it looks like in the inside. So I did see with the other reviews that this, it's like a flap that you could, this one doesn't do that. It's like stuck. So see, it does have a zipper, it does have an extra little compartment, but it doesn't have the flip bag. And then, you know, so this fits pretty, you know, you could put your chapsticks, lipsticks, a compact, whatever you need. I have my Beats in there. You know, it's just like a really nice, roomy bag inside. And of course it has the little zipper bag as well that doesn't come out. Oh, it has the little thing, and here is what it looks like. It still has a lot of room after everything that I showed you, and you know, it is an absolutely cute bag. It is a little bit heavy, like I told you before, but I definitely, you know, recommend it. The color is amazing. Hey guys, so I'm interjecting the video real quick so you guys can see how it looks on. Sorry, I didn't think of this till right now, so yeah, you guys can actually see how big it is and what it looks like on. So I am 5'3" and 150 pounds. I was 160, but I'm going down, and that's another video you got to watch. But this is the medium again of what it looks like, the tote bag from Marc Jacobs. So this is the sizing of the bag and a shorter person, and this is what it looks like if you were just to carry it, you know, just like a little bag, or you could do it on your shoulder. And you know, I don't know, I might order the bigger strap like I said before, but this strap is, I'm kind of like, you know, liking it. It's growing on me. So this is what it would look like if, you know, I just have it on the side right here. It's a little bit longer, you could always adjust it, or you know, we could do the whole crossbody, and it's really cute as a crossbody. I actually really like it. It's a little bit more, you know, casual. And I just wanted you guys to really see the sizing of it, on how it would look, you know, if you're like my size, or even if you're taller, it's still like a good size. You know what I mean? So I wanted you to compare it to the GM. So this is my tote, that's a GM. I wish I knew how big the tote from, what's it called, from Marc Jacobs was, to see if it was bigger or smaller than this, but this is the biggest size of the Neverfull. So if you want to compare it, I know most people do have this bag, that's why I wanted to show it to you guys, because I don't have like the bigger tote of the Marc Jacobs to compare it to. This is in comparison to the GM Neverfull, and you know what, this bag is huge. You know, it's just one big bag. But this bag actually fits in here, but a lot of stuff fits in the bag too. So this is, I just want to show you guys the comparison of how big it looks inside the Neverfull. And you know, once I get the bigger bag, I'll do, you know, a comparison, but there's tons of videos on YouTube where they do that. So just to let you guys see like what it looks like. So this is what the GM looks on me, which is a huge bag. Like I'm talking about, this is probably the biggest bag Louis Vuitton has. So when it's spread out, this is what it looks like on me when, you know, 5'3", and this is what this looks like. So just to give you guys, you know, a little, you know, idea of the sizing. But yeah, I really like this bag. Like I said, it's a little heavier. It's way heavier than that bag, even though I put a lot more stuff in there because the bag itself is heavy. But other than that, it's like, I love it. I absolutely love it. So here you go. I did want to let you know that I did have a little bit of an issue with Nieman Marcus. You know, I usually don't like to talk bad about businesses or anything like that, or anything that I don't like, I don't even review. You know what I'm saying? But especially businesses, because it's just like, well, everybody has a bad day. Businesses have a bad day. Just because, you know, they're huge doesn't mean that they don't have bad days. However, I didn't read the reviews. I've been really lacking that. I have a value furniture story for you as well, but that's for another video. But this one was a little bit shocking, you know what I mean? I never ordered from Nieman Marcus. We don't have a Nieman Marcus here in El Paso. So you know, when I saw that it was this particular purse was online, I was like, oh my god, you know, I didn't think twice of it. We got like second day, like next day shipping or whatever. Didn't check it the next day because I still give the companies, like, you know, time to process and stuff like that. Come the day after, you know, it still wasn't shipped, and then, you know, 2-3 days later we started calling, and they were just like, I just started getting so many different answers. Like one time they said that the warehouse was there has an electricity issue. The next time there was an outage of another sort. The other time it was because they were backed up. Another time it was because FedEx hadn't picked it up. Another time they said it was shipped when it wasn't. Like, I got so many different stories that I was just like, just give me my money back. And then this guy was like, I can't give you your money back because it's been shipped. But I was like, I don't even have a tracking number. So he was like, oh, well, you know, it's already in the stage where you can't get your money back. So at the very end, I was already, I'm not one to like write reviews, I'm not one to complain or anything like that, but I was just like, you know what, just go ahead and give me my money back. Well, I know it's not shipped. And they were like, okay, you know, we'll go ahead and give you your money back, and you guys, you know, you could cancel. Usually, you know, I don't order anything over $500. This purse was exactly $500, but I don't order anything over $500 online because I want to try it out. You know, it's a bummer when you buy something like in the thousands that you don't like, and then to return it and stuff like that. So usually my luxury items, because we don't have any luxury stores here, we don't have nothing here, I end up waiting till we go out of town, or, you know, just go out of town just for that purchase. But because, you know, I was like, oh, okay, you know, I trust Nieman Marcus, I know I'm gonna love the bag and stuff like that, we ended up purchasing it. But so they said they canceled it, and then 2 hours later I got an email saying that it was shipped. So I was like, okay. But just the fact that it got here, I'm very thankful. And, you know, I just told you that little story, and to read the reviews for yourself, just in case, because if I'm going through, you know, something that I thought was kind of weird, I just wanted to let you guys know before you guys, you know, purchase or whatever, because it is a pretty hefty price. You know, $500 is, you know, a lot of money for a bag. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, not to shop at Nieman Marcus. I've never been there. I'm sure if you go to the actual store, it's gonna be like a beautiful experience and stuff like that. I'm just talking about online. I'm not sure if it's different, because I know they ship through different websites and warehouses and stuff like that. But just to give you guys a heads up of what I went through, and that there are a lot of reviews online that this was happening, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but other than that, I am very excited that I got my bag. I'm very happy with it. I'm happy that I don't have to return it, because their return policy also had like horrible reviews. So I'm just happy that, you know, I got the bag, and that I actually really love it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So just a closer look, and you know, if you guys are interested, I definitely think you guys should do it. Go ahead and do it and purchase the bag. Just be happy. But so with that said, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys watching my video, and if you guys would like to subscribe, I would love that even more and be part of my little family here on YouTube. I would really enjoy that. But until next time, we'll see you then.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.